Right, where are we? That's a design that we did today. That's on the wall. And then once I designed this, about a couple hours later, this lady grabbed it real quick. So, this is what we have done today so far. As you can see, we did massive, almost covered the whole back, but we didn't because of we need to design what we do here, and then we need to think about a little bit here and then a little bit there. But 90%, well, it's not like you know it's big, massive, large. You can see like giant. Um, Stencil went on really easy, all in like one go, and then saying that you can see that my phone's up here, so it's all filmed. um, what else we got? So line work wise, probably you wonder what needles I used. So big heavy lines like here. I used 18 round shader, which means there's 18 needles right next to each other, pretty massive. But as you can see on the back piece, it just looks fine. And the second biggest needle was this needle here, what goes on the fingers and stuff like that. That was 9 power liner. Again, those needles would be massive and they would feel large on different body parts, but when it comes to the back, as you can see, the canvas is big, so obviously you have to go bigger with needles, otherwise all those lines will just get lost. Like down here, where for example, where you can see this line here, that is that round shader, 18 round shader, but it just looks fine. It looks like a little small needle. And then all those thin needles, the thin lines, they're really uh, small, tiny ones, detail lines. Those are 3 round liner tight or long tapers. They're really fine. And then what that gives is it gives a nice detail feeling, but then they don't really overpower. You see them, but you can't really see them too much. And then I went here from 3 tight into 3, and then the 9 power lines there into the smoke. And as you can see, just a really nice transition, and it feels natural as that would be like in real life. What else? Needle wise, I used 23 mag for like big large areas, 15 mag for most of it. 15 because I tested what needles her skin like, and 23 it was too big. It did the work, but it didn't do the work. Where 15 it went in way easier, and then we did like this was the last one we did. It just went in really nice, really easy, quite fast as well. And so 15 mag was pretty good. Shading wise, ink wise, that is black. I already binned 2 of these ink cups because when you work too long for one ink cup, basically every time you pick up ink and all that, you go back and forwards, you basically insert the liquids that comes from out of her body, like plasma, blood, and then juices, plus the cream, and you slowly pick it up, and then you also put that into the ink cup. So at some point the ink cup becomes useless, so you have to bin it. So I already bin 2 those. These 2 are like halfway down, and they already became not really black. So I went for shading. So I shaded. That's why I shaded all that, because those blacks were just pretty useless at this stage. So I was like, cool, we're going for shading, and then I shaded all that, and then she suffered a little bit. And so that's black. These were probably 70, 50, 30, and I didn't really get too much to the light shades because I did all the darks, all the blacks, all the main foundation ones, the strong ones. You can see that's going to be where it's like all full shaded. Use my stigma. So that's the round shader. 23, 15's in there. Power liner, 9 power liner, which I did all those lines. I know they look thin and small, but actually they line with the power liner. For example, like the fingers there, and then fingers here. Yeah, when it comes to the back, it looks thin, small lines. And then 3 tight, and then put some extras there just in case if I need it, but I didn't. So we started about 11ish probably, most likely, and then now it's, I don't even know what time are we. Let me have a look. Oh, 20 past 6. So I felt it's somewhere 6ish. So about 7, 8, 9 hours. I don't even know how many. But She sat like a rock, didn't move much, suffered, but didn't move much. It's more like the position that's killing her rather than anything else. What else I should say? Don't know. Next time we just do more shading, and we just, well, probably next time we're gonna think about what to do there and what to do there and what to do there. So therefore I didn't really do much here because I thought we could extend that. That also I didn't go too much there because we're gonna do something, and then that was just too light. I didn't really care too much. So I can add more shading on the smoke, and then that little leg is just gone. But yeah, that's the easiest one to cover. And yeah, we'll see where life takes us. Mostly it'll be black and grey. If there's necessity, the boss said that we can add some color, maybe. But that's like if there's a, I don't know, like if we're desperate to cover. Maybe you can give a few words about the pain. How was it? If you grab that mic.
It was okay. A little sore towards the end, but fine.
How was the spine area?
All right. More the sides at the bottom.
It's usually where I spend the most time, right?
Yeah.
I thought the opposite. I thought the spine's gonna be killing you the most, so I thought I'm gonna move to the sides a little bit.
No, just the sides, I think.
Well, she didn't say that. I would have spent more time in the middle. Oh well, it is what it is. Now we know. Yeah, so that's where we are. That's session 1, and then I'll see you in the next video, guys.